here today to demonstrate the low impact development or the green infrastructure that we propose for this site, and this is going to be one of our pilot sites. Low impact development is a approach or principles for designing stormwater management mimicking the natural hydrologic cycle on the site.
We're the consultant engineers for this development, hired by the landowners to come up with a design to put in a new public road and to create the lots for this particular subdivision. And at the time we started the process as we would normally do, looking at putting in conventional sewers and putting in a conventional drainage system that would allow the runoff from the lots and from the road to go to the nearest outlet, which was a creek, which is on the other side of us here. Having spoken with the Upper Thames as being one of the review authorities, talking to MTS a little bit about it, one of the concerns that we came up with is we needed an outlet to the creek. Upper Thames requirements are, and the MOE's requirements are, that we provide quality control for any stormwater that would be running off this before it entered the creek. The difficulty we were having is that there wasn't a good end-of-pipe solution for providing that quality control. We were looking at such things as very expensive oil grit separator systems to be able to clean the water, looking at possibly building a pond at the end of the pipe. All of these were very expensive options for the owners to have to deal with, especially on a very small subdivision like this. So as a part of that review of it, one of the ideas that MTS provided back to us said, why don't we take a look at using some low impact development techniques as opposed to going with stormwater management into pipe solutions. And at first we were a little bit concerned about it because the soil type here did not normally work as well as we thought it should for low impact development systems. But after having some good reviews, discussions with our geotechnical engineers, and looking at the possible methods that we could use for it, we were able to be convince ourselves, as well as do the calculations, to determine that in fact we could meet the requirements of the MOE level 2, and we could at the same time also come up with a design that would remove the requirement to put in the more expensive conventional storm sewers under the road and the catch basins that go with it. So this was a win-win from that perspective, from the municipality standpoint, from the long-term maintenance and operations, from the owner standpoint, from cost, and it also meets the target requirements in a very effective way, as opposed to going with oil grit separators or some of the other conventional means for doing quality control on a site.
Initially, when the consultant proposed this project with the conventional storm water management with the sewers and catch basin, at the outlet to the Black Creek, which is in my background here, they were proposing an outlet structure which was a heat structure, and we said no, let's use an LID approach, use a very natural approach, and I put forward that to Bill, and Bill jumped onto them and say yes, we can do that. So Bill, what do you think of that idea?
Well, from what we can see right now, say we haven't even completed the construction of this outlet. We have some the stone to put down and the fabric yet to go down, but you can see how clear the water is already. The slow trickle is nice and clean, just like you saw.